up, pearls? Welcome to another video. I'm so happy to see you, and welcome to summer. I cannot believe it's summer already. I do enjoy summer. Everything is more relaxed, just more relaxed schedules. Kids are out of school and we can be a little bit more fancy free. I don't like the heat. I don't like the heat. I'm sweating now. And please keep the suggestions coming. I'm looking for a cute summer updo for natural hair. Y'all, because this hair is not hitting it. I don't know how you ladies with really long hair get through summer. I've always sweated in my head, so yeah, summer's tough. Summer is tough for me wearing my hair down. But anyway, I'm using a new product, y'all. I'm expanding my horizons using more gels because I'm now playing with wash and goes, and I've been very happy so far. So I have Big Poppa Defining Gel from the DOUX. This is so popular. It's new to me. It's not brand new on the shelves, and I've been eyeing it forever, but because I was doing twist outs for so long, back to back, what you may not know about doing twist outs is using a gel, and not just a twist out, a flat twist out, but using gel and trying to install flat twists can be tricky because the gel makes the hair stiff a little bit, and it's so much manipulation, and I found that I was pulling my hair way more than I wanted to just trying to do the flat twist. So I didn't, lean toward gels too much, but now I can, and I'm so excited. So I've already done the back section of my hair. As a matter of fact, let me show it to you. And this is just the Big Poppa Defining Gel and water, no leave-in or anything. So y'all, I think my hair looks really good in the back. It's nice and shiny, and my curls are clumped. And I hope that when I style the front and apply the product, I'll get equally good and decent results as I did in the back. And I know it'll be a challenge because my crown area is a different texture, and I just have to work with it and do the best I can. So we shall see. And can I say thank you? I had several of you send me encouragement and tell me that, wash and goes can take some time, can take practice, I should say, can take some practice, and there might be fails, there will be fails, but just to keep going, and I appreciate that. Thank you, it means more than you know, because of course we always get disappointed on wash day if the style doesn't come out right. So thank you, and I'm gonna keep going. Now, I like that the DOUX, on all of their products, they tell you what it do, what's good, and then to do you. So just a summary of what it do. This product defines even the tightest curls while fighting frizz and humidity. What I liked, what drew me to this, it says there's no need for layering with Big Poppa. They have built-in conditioners to soften hair. Y'all, so they're saying it's a one product wonder. I'm gonna put it to the test because I'm not using a leave-in, and I thought that initially I was going to use a leave-in because I'm using just straight gel on my hair, and I didn't know how that would work. And my hair and scalp tend to get dry. So we'll see what Big Poppa is gonna do here with just water and the product itself. It's supposed to make your hair touchable, give you touchable curls with no crunch or flaking. We shall see. All right, so it's formulated with babasu seed oil and keratin. And then to do your style, however you want to do your style, it says to apply to freshly washed wet hair in sections, which is what I did in the back, and my front is sectioned, raking it from roots to ends. And I have had a few of you suggest to me that I shingle and finger coil. I'm not there yet. Raking, I can do that easily. So for me, the shingling and finger coiling to help bring out my curls and help them set, that will come later. But I promise I'll practice. So I raked my back, the back of my hair from applying the product from roots to ends. And then it says to air dry or diffuse. But make sure your hair is completely dry before you begin to fluff and separate. I have no problem doing that. And I sit under my dryer. I let my hair sit since I've been doing the wash and goes. I let the hair sit or set after I apply all the product and then sit under my hooded dryer. So today will be no different. All right, y'all, let's get going with Big Poppa on the front half of my hair. All right, just making sure my hair is nice and detangled, and it is. Putting in a side part. Ladies, what's your side part preference? Are you a right parter or a left parter? Make sure you let me know in the comments. I think I like a right part better. But then I also like the left part, and then, hey, I'll do the middle part, which is also good so that I'm not putting, I like to switch up my parts so that I'm not putting pressure and tension on those in the same spot all the time, in the same side part or the same middle part. So let me know what you're doing. And my hair is wet enough. I'm not going to dampen it because I don't want it to be stringy, look stringy or anything like that. I already have type 3 hair, which means I don't get shrinkage. And if I put too much gel on my hair, it's gonna hang. It's gonna hang longer, and my hair will look stringy, and I don't want that. So although I'm trying to put an ample amount of gel on my hair. Oh, that is so pretty. Here I go with my raking. That's all I know how to do. But look at that, y'all. Love it, love it, love it. And I realized I wasn't getting my edges. I wasn't getting very much product on my edges, so now I know. Grab those edges and around the hairline, because that hair curls up pretty good. All right, here we go. So see, this is my 3C hair. Loose. At times it'll curl up on the ends. It curls up on the ends really good in the back, but this texture is different on the sides. So this is what I got going on, and I am going to scrunch. Y'all, I have all of the Big Poppa gel in, and honestly, I don't know whose hair this is. I don't know whose hair this is. I have definition on top of definition. It's even defined at the roots. Do y'all see that? It's defined at the roots. Right now, it is giving Jerry curl a little bit, like long Jerry curl, but I'm okay with that. Now this definition is insane. All over, all over. And here, now this is my area in the front that doesn't get as defined as other areas of my hair. So I did scrunch it to see if I could get those curls to clump up and really do their thing. I even used the defining brush, one of the new defining brushes. I don't have it with me, can't think of the name of it, but I'll bring it back and show it to you. This is as good as it's going to get. I used the defining brush on this area, and it's not so bad, but because it's hanging down lower than the rest of my hair, I have to deal with that. So let me show you the back. This area. When I was looking in the mirror in my bathroom, I did see that area in the, my middle area that's coming, the hair that's growing from the crown that's hanging back, it's not as defined as the rest of my hair, but that's okay too. I just have to work on it and maybe spend more time shingling, not shingling, but raking, but it's hard to get back. It's not hard to get back there. That's not even true. It's not hard to get back there. It just takes a lot of arm work. I'll put it that way. It takes a lot of arm work to rake that hair straight down in the back, especially if you're doing it for, a good bit of time to try and really get those curls in. But anyway, y'all, this is awesome. This is so awesome. This from the girl who said she couldn't do a wash and go. Thank you to my faith troop, my faith troop out there who said, hey, try it. I want to see it. I'm waiting on the wash and go. You know who you are. Hey, pearls. I am back with dry hair. Y'all, this is so awesome. I'm loving what I'm seeing. This wash and go is the result of using the DOUX Big POPPA Defining Gel. Defining gel? Absolutely. Look at this. My crown area has historically been my problem child that I love because it's mine. But look at this. All definition, all shine. And my hair is 100% dry. The shine is it's tripping me out. It really is tripping me out. Y'all, I have bounce. I have all the things. And this is on my type 3 multi-textured fine hair. I have a different texture in the crown, different texture in the back at my nape, and different on the sides. But I have a very uniform, almost a 100% uniform look on all of my curls, and I'm just really pleased. Now, you've heard me say a time or two before, my channel is real life. So while I've got these amazing curls and definition and shine from the front, I want to show you the back because it does look different in that part of my my hair that's hanging down from the crown in the back, if that makes sense. So let me show it to you. So you see it's shorter there, scrunched up. It's not hanging down like my looser pattern is in the back. And what I'm showing you is how I deal with, or what I'm showing you is the result of the defining gel on my multi-textured hair and just how different it looks. So this section here, oh, actually I have my mirror. So this section here, if you see it, is not a lot of definition there. And I'm not really sure why. Let me turn back around so you can hear me. I'm not really sure why, because when I applied Big POPPA, the definition was there, I believe. And it dried differently. There's a lot of frizz back there, and you all are coaching me on certain ingredients. and why my hair may behave in certain areas differently than the other areas. And particularly, I'm speaking of silicones. I am not one who looks at ingredients, and I've also said before that I don't look at ingredients right now at this point in my hair journey, but who's to say that I won't make that a part of how I choose my products. And I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but I think for those of you who are really focused on the ingredients and knowing what your hair likes and what it doesn't, you know what I'm saying. So I'm not quite there yet, but I appreciate the tips that you all have given me as far as silicone goes. So I don't know if if this hair will ever have a matching pattern, like completely, if there will be symmetry between that hair and the rest of my hair. I just don't know. But I'm going to have fun trying. And does it bother me that the pattern is not the same? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Y'all, it's what I have to work with, and that's what I'm going to do. So Big Poppa for the absolute win. I cannot get over it. And although I wish I had known my results would be like this years ago, and all these years during my YouTube channel journey and my hair journey, it's also the right time for me to discover this. I didn't know what I didn't know, but now's the perfect time. I have it in my hand and I'm good to go. So ladies, thank you so much for staying till the end. I appreciate you. And pearls, until next time, keep it naturally corporate.